This is going to be a simple one to do. Most of the work is done when you trace the outline. I've got the different values here using the Micron ink pen, and so I'm just going to add some color to it. So I'm going to do these in primary colors for the jackets. I'm going to do red, yellow, blue. Use ultramarine blue. I'm using hot press. I normally don't do hot press, but I've got this pad and I'm trying to get rid of it. Hot press is not usually what I like. I'm going to use a damp brush and just kind of spread that paint around. Drop in a little more concentrated over here. Let that dry. And let's see, I think the middle one, I think I'll use yellow ochre. Damp brush, kind of smear it around. Might even drop in a little water here. Just let it do what it wants to do. And then over here, I'm going to use some Winsor red, which is like a cad red, I think. Damp brush. Lift up a little over here. Just taking a brush and just dabbing it. Lifting up a little highlight there. Okay, we have our primary color jackets there. Do a little lifting here. I'm going to drop in a little bit of alizarin crimson over here to make it darker on that side. That will really make it pop. Okay, for the wheels, I'm going to mix up ultramarine blue with some burnt sienna to get a gray. And I'm not going to be too exact here, it doesn't matter. For the pants, I'm going to do, let's see, I think I'm going to do Payne's Gray. And if it touches that and bleeds into it, that's okay. My values are already there with the ink pen. you have a puddle that you don't want, just take a dry brush and just lift it up. With this gray that I mixed up for the wheels, I'm just going to kind of anchor the wheels to the ground. And then take a damp brush and just kind of smooth it out. Just how to paint the bicycles. There's not a lot of color in these that you can really see. I'm just gonna do a little yellow here. This is gonna have a little red. And I think this one is gonna be red also. Let's let that dry and see if we need to do anything else. Okay, so for the wheels, I'm just going to add some of this darker gray just on the outside for the rubber wheels. Okay, I'm calling this done. Most of the work was done with the outline because you added your values by using a lot of the ink and just making your darker values there, and just splash some color on and you've got your primary colors riding bicycles. Thank you so much for being a subscriber.